Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys all having a great time. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use gradient tools with Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to be a professional designer, please join our channel, subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon so you're going to be notified about the latest tutorial that we are uploading into our channel. Now it's time of AI, artificial intelligence. Now you can generate any images, but still graphic designers require to work for private companies or made their designs, because if you have any idea in your mind and if you want to bring it on the screen with Adobe Illustrator program is going to help you to bring your idea to life. So in this video I'm going to show you that how we can use this gradient tool. A gradient tool is the best tool inside Adobe Illustrator. This is a combination of different colors for our shape, so this is definitely going to help you a lot in designing inside Adobe Illustrator. So here let me draw a shape. I'm going to make a rectangle. So here if I select a color, so here you can see in the left toolbox we have this gradient tool. If I click here, you can see nothing is when I going to drag or press the right click on the mouse, so nothing is going to happen because this is only the simple color. I need to change the color first, then it's going to take effect. So I'm going to select this my color palette here. So from here you can see we have this gradient default color available. So now a gradient default color is now applied on the rectangle. So here if I click on the gradient tool, so here you can see this line. So when I put my cursor over this line, so here I can move this to the left, I can move it to the right. So here you can see this gradient tool is now actually at work. So here I can actually move my colors to the right, or I can actually, this is the a portion of my white color and the left portion is my black color. So here if I push this to the left, so the the black colors actually going to actually effect on the white one. So how we can actually change this color? And you're right, here you can see we have this gradient, but if you didn't see this inside this Adobe Illustrator, so you can click on the view, and from here we have this not on the view, but you have to go with the windows, because for the view we have many more, so like rulers, show transparency grid, and I will actually go with this view as well. You need to go to windows, not view, and not in this video. I'm going to click on the windows. Here we have this gradient, so if I click here, this gradient is going to be appear. So from here you can see in our left we have this white. So if I double click here, so it's going to give me this window that I can change the color, which is CMYK. So here I can actually using this eyedropper, I can select the color for my left side. So here if I click on each portion of this color palette, so this is going to the eyedropper going to actually make this color. So from here I can put a number. If you find your own choice color on the internet or some other place, so you can put the numbers over here, the CMYK numbers over here. And I will describe the two, that what is different between the CMYK and RGB colors. So here you can put your numbers, and also here we have the opacity. So if I click here, you actually it's going to take effect for this left portion only. So I want to add an opacity of 20%. So here you can see the opacity is going to be take effect. So here I don't want to actually add a opacity, I'm going to put it on 100. And also here we have this color or switch palette, which is going to be available from here as well. So here I can select one of these colors for my left portion. And also if I want to add a color, so I click here, so one other color is going to be add here. So if I double click, so from here I can actually add a different color for my rectangle. So also on the left, if I click, double click, I can actually, it's black, but I can change that to blue or something, or this color. So here if I want to move this portion, so if I click, so one another color is going to be added here. So if I move this with pressing the right click on the keyboard, so if I drag it below, so it's going to be disappear. So if I want to add one another more here, so I click here, only one click is enough to add a color here. So you double click, and here you choose your own favorite color. And also if you want to actually reverse gradient tool, and this reverse is really going to work while you're working on making shadows. So this is really going to work. If I click here, this is going to reverse my color. So here you can see left is going to the right and right is going to the left. And also if I click here, you can see we have this by default. If I select one of them, so this is going to be take effect. And also if I want to add a switch, I can click add a switch. So from here I can actually add a switch something. So here I can change that to with this gradient tools because it's already installed. So here we have this add to switches. So this is going to be add on the switches when you are going to select a color from here. So here it's added here. So this color is already, I did it 2 times. So here it's added already. Whenever you're going to make a shape inside your Adobe Illustrator, suppose we are making this circle here. So here if you choose this color, so here this color is already available inside this switch. So here if I click here, I can select a color, the same color that I applied for my rectangle. And also here I can select this, should be, now it's a liner, but if I click radial for this, because it's rectangle, so if I click this gradient tool, so here you can see this is now radial one. So I can move this over here, and also I can move this if I want to. I can scale this, can move this to scale this radial, and also I can move this line. So radial is most used with the circle shape. So if you apply this to radial, so here if I click on the gradient, so here you can see this is already fit according to this circle, but for the rectangle it's going to not fit because it's not the same size. So if I have this choice over here, so I can change that to the liner and radial. And also here we have this point, like if I want to move this to 90 degrees, 90 or angle. So 90 angle is going to take effect. I can go to -30, so I can select up to 180, or I can actually move this with my arrow keys. You can see when I move arrow keys, this is going to take effect. This color is moving inside this rectangle. So also we have this or aspect ratio. So if I want to go with 90, you can see this color is actually is going to increase inside this. You can, this aspect ratio is, if you want this, this is your middle color. So if you want to make it 300, so this is going to take effect 300. So it means that I can move this to the left, and I can move this to the right, not left, and I can move this to the left. So here you, if your color is the same, but if you want to, you can move this from here as well. But if you want to use this aspect ratio, so here if I put it to 3, so here the middle color, or this color which I put it right here. Also do not forget that here if you put it to 0, then if you put this to 300, you can see this is going to take effect. So the aspect ratio and the angles is some more options with the gradients, and you can mess around, so you can fit this color. After you're going to be satisfied, then you can come here, you can add this to switches, and from here also you can add this these colors, and also from this switch color also you can select your colors to add the gradient. And also here is the for the stroke. So here if I want to change this to a stroke, this color to stroke, so if I click here, this is going to actually convert this to a stroke. So here I can increase the color. So now my shape, a rectangle shape. And also if I want to change that, so I'm going to click this swap fill and stroke shape, so it's going to change to a stroke. I think this was the riddle, so I need to convert to liner, so it's going to take effects. Here I can change to apply. I can select 3 more. Here we have apply gradient within a stroke, or here you can see we have this apply gradient along a stroke, and also we have apply gradient across a stroke. So here you can see we can select many more available stroke. Here if I select this one, you can see you can actually mess around with these with these options or features inside gradient tools to fix out, and you're going to experience these tools while we are going to design something inside Adobe Illustrator. So here you can see I can move the angles. So here if I select this apply gradient across a stroke, this angle is going to be turned off. So if I select this one, so this is also going to look like it's turned off for this apply gradient along a stroke effect. And also if I click on apply gradient, so this angle is going to be on, so I can select. So you can see these colors I can mess around. So this is how you are going to use these gradient tools. And if I click here, so here it's for the stroke, I can't actually move this, because for the stroke it's actually, let me select this one. If I want to actually make any changes, you can see this little icon on this, that it means that I can actually doesn't do anything. But if I convert this to let me show you. Here we have this also we have this aspect ratio for my this rectangle. But if you select this one, you can see aspect ratio, because it's a circle, so it doesn't actually show up here. If I select this one, so if I go with these two, this 2 is means that it's not, this angle and aspect ratio is not going to work. But for this apply gradient within a stroke, it's going to be available. I can use this. And here if I convert this to shape, so whenever you want to use this so whenever it's a stroke, so you can't use this gradient tools. You can see we can actually use this gradient tool. So if I convert this to this shape is tail, we can actually use this, because we have to select this aligner. When we put this gradient tools over here, still we can't do anything, because here this stroke is selected. We have to change back to this fill. Now we are able to actually move this around and change. For the stroke, we can't actually use this gradient tools over here. And also let me show you another technique, that how you can use to select your color from outside. So here if I click here, so here I can't actually select a color by using this eyedropper tool. So if you click this, this is going to convert this to a stroke. So here let me show you. If I have this rectangle, so we need to add this color to our this gradient. So when you click your rectangle, so here if you click if you want to change only this color, so this is outside, you can't find it over here. You have your own palette inside this Adobe Illustrator. You click on the eyedropper tool, and here you're going to actually press this alt and shift. If you click on the color, so your whole color is going to be changed. So we have to actually use this alt on the keyboard. So whenever you click here, the color of this shape is shape going to transfer to that shape. So here I need to actually, if I want to change only this color from our side, so I have to use the shift key. The shift key is going to take effect. So if I press the shift key, I can add color from outside. But if you press the alt and shift, this color of this is going to transfer here. And also if you press the alt only, the color of this shape is going to transfer here. So this is how we can use only shift to bring the colors. But if you didn't see any color over here, if you can't find your color from here, if you want to add it from outside, so this is the technique you can use to add a color inside your gradients. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something from this video, and please let me know if you have any question regarding this gradient tools with Adobe Illustrator in the comment box of this video. And if you want to be a professional graphic designer to earn money online and also offline working for a private company, then join our channel and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon and the subscribe button as well, so you're not going to miss any of our videos while we are uploading in our channel. So see you guys until next video.